Welcome to your social studies class to the chapter Our Constitution, and today's subtopic is nature of the Constitution. Okay, so let us start. So the Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. ये हमारी दुनिया का सबसे लंबा hand written constitution है. And it also states the rights and duties of the citizens. And where does it states? On the preamble. And preamble is the introduction to the constitution, which states that India is a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. So let's understand about it. Sovereign means that the people of the country have declared themselves as free people. तो हम क्या हैं? हम एक आज़ाद भारत हैं. We are free people, free country. And we were previously ruled by the Britishers, but now we have become a free country. And when do we became free? In 1947. Okay, next comes socialist. Socialist means that there is social and economic equality in the state, and there will be no discrimination or inequality based on caste or even gender, and everyone has equal right and opportunity to get job and earn their livelihood. तो कोई भी कहीं भी पूरी कंट्री में जाके जॉब कर सकता है, पढ़ाई कर सकता है, या जो चाहे वो कर सकता है. किसी भी तरह से हम अपनी लाइफ जी सकते हैं. Now comes secular. Secular means that the citizen of our country are free to follow any religion. किसी भी religion को कोई extra favor नहीं किया जाएगा, and all religion will be treated as equal. तो सारे religions को equal importance दी जाएगी. किसी को discriminate नहीं किया जा सकता. सब religions बराबर माने जाएंगे और हम जब चाहें जो चाहे religion follow कर सकते हैं. Now next come democracy or democratic country. Democracy is the type of government in which people choose their own leader. तो हम अपने leader को खुद choose करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं? We vote. And when do we vote? We vote at the age of 18. हम 18 साल के हो जाते हैं तो हम जाके वोट कर सकते हैं. And we are free to form a government. हम गवर्नमेंट को आराम से चुन सकते हैं और ये भी चुन सकते हैं कि कौन हमारा लीडर होगा. सो डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स रूल ऑफ द पीपल, लोगों का रूल. Right? Then comes republic. Republic means that India has an elected head and who holds a power for fixed term. And who is the president? The president is Mr. Ram Nath Kovind is the president of our country, and he is the sovereign head of the state. Now, as our constitution has given us so many rights, so when we have rights, we also have duties towards our country that we will study later. For now, I hope that you all must have understood this much. Take care.